And again it happens, and again it happens. Eventually you come to the only obvious conclusion you can possibly come to, and that these guys are arsonists and they're burning up places.
Well, okay, now every time I see a burnt out building, I also see these red trucks. It's the red trucks that are directly associated with burnt buildings.
Yeah, and they must cause it, right? And so, of course, in our body, we see. I mean, this is a conclusion that you could make if you didn't know better. But you've never been there. You have never been there before the fire. You have never seen the fire, right?
Yeah.
So we haven't looked at the area of our body that has the viruses before. We can't tell if they